Honey, how do you spell with? With? How do you spell?
W-I-T-H.
Good job. How about me?
Me.
Good job. How about the?
The T.
And then?
The.
T and then the? The is what? How do you spell the?
T.
And then? And then? And then? Good job. T-H-E. Good job.
T-H-E.
Good job. What else do you know how to spell?
An 8. That was 8. Wait.
What else do you know how to spell? What else? What else do you know how to spell, honey? Tell mommy. A. What else do you know how to spell, honey? Tell mommy. What else do you want to spell? How about off? Off. Do you know how to spell off? A. Hey, honey, tell mommy. Hey, do you know? You're not listening to mommy. Okay, you spell to mommy another time, okay?